Hi everybody, my name is Amber Brouwer and I am a PhD student at EMBL Heidelberg. Did you know that the oral contraceptives that most women take daily can have a major impact on our local ecosystems? The artificial hormones that are in these contraceptives can end up in our wastewater. The fish that then come in contact with our wastewater become more feminine. This means, for example, that male fish start producing eggs. When this happens, the reproduction of fish is out of balance, and this can mess up the local ecosystem. With your donation, I can now study which breakdown products of artificial hormones end up in our wastewater. I will try to improve both the detection and elimination methods using a technology called mass spectrometry in combination with a computational prediction tool. Through this project, we hope to make our water sources and ecosystems more safe and healthy.
Plastic pollution is a very pressing environmental threat. Every year, more than 8 million tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans. There, they do not decompose, but slowly break down into smaller fragments, so-called macro and microplastics, and then into even smaller particles, referred to as nanoplastics. Currently, the influence of these nanoplastics on human health and ecosystems is not understood, mostly due to the lack of available methods for their detection and structural investigation. Your generous contribution will help us tackle this global problem. We will use a specialized X-ray technology called SAX to take a closer look at these very small particles. Located at the Particle Accelerator in Hamburg, our setup is optimized to study samples in solution, which allows us to analyze water probes from different sources, such as rivers and oceans. From this data, we will gain information on the size, shape, and surface of the nanoplastics and receive answers to pressing questions of the fate of these pollutants and their ability to enter into various tissues, as well as their role as carriers of attached toxins such as heavy metals. With this understanding, we may prevent this from having an adverse effect on humans, animals, and the environment. Thank you for supporting this project and the use of science to address this environmental threat.
I'm Michael Zimmerman, a group leader at EMBL Heidelberg, and I'm very excited to talk about the Catalyst project enabled by your generous donations. Accumulation of pesticides in the environment are a growing concern for ecosystems, animal and human health. Microbes such as bacteria and fungi play a major role in degradation of those pesticides and to eliminate them from the environment. However, at the moment we know very little about which microbes and which mechanisms they use to break down pesticides and eliminate them from the environment. In this project, we aim at characterizing microbial pesticide breakdown of 1,000 different pesticides. To do so, we will use EMBL's capacity to culture a wide range of different microbes together with analytical tools to measure pesticides and their breakdown products. As a result, we will build a comprehensive atlas in which we link pesticide degradation to specific microbes. This will help us to identify new biomarkers to monitor the environment, to develop new strategies using microbes to clean up the environment from pesticides, and to design greener chemicals that are eliminated faster from the environment and are less harmful for ecosystems.